Hey guys, I am Mama Triple N and you are all welcome to my channel. Season's greetings to you all. Hope you are getting ready for Christmas because we are so getting ready. Today's recipe is all about creamy chicken pasta. This recipe is mine. You are going to love it. Make sure you watch from the start till the end because I'm going to list the benefit of everything I used in preparing it. Okay. So as you can see, I have my mushroom here already washed and cut, my chicken breast, garlic, onions. So I'm going to start frying. I'm also going to tell you the benefits of garlic. We all know that garlic reduces high blood pressure, it helps with the cholesterol levels, and it also prevents cancer. I'm going to tell you the benefits of mushroom. Mushrooms is very healthy and contain a lot of nutrients that our body needs to function. For example, it decreases the risk of cancer, it lowers the sodium intake, that's the salt, it protects the brain health, it's a source of vitamin D, and it is also good for a healthy immune system. So as you can see, I already fried the mushroom and garlic with onions. So now I'm going to add my heavy cream, which is going to make this recipe a perfect one. So I'm just going to let it cook for some minutes, and while it is cooking, I'm going to add my Maggi cube, my black pepper, and a little amount of salt as well. And I'm also going to add my spaghetti to it. So guys, this recipe is everything. Okay, let me tell you the benefit of onions and chicken. Onions fight cancer, it lowers the blood sugar level, it is good for the eyes, it promotes respiratory health, and it is also good for hair growth. Guys, onions is very healthy, as you can hear from what I have listed here. So I'm going to tell you the benefits of chicken. So chicken breast is low in sodium, like low in salt, it is sugar free. It has high protein, which is very good, especially if you want to lose weight. Chicken is also very good. It can also regulate the blood pressure. It reduces the risk of cancer. And with what I have listed here, guys, this recipe is a must try. Chicken breast is healthy, mushroom, garlic, onions as well. So please give this a try, and if you do so, leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching from the start till this time. Please continue watching. So as you can see, the food is almost ready, or it is ready. So now I'm going to dish out my food and eat. So guys, I will say thank you all so much, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, also click on the bell icon so that you'll get all notification anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please share this video with your friends and everyone you know. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. Please stay tuned and keep watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. All right, bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.